Alright, we're going to the ocean today and going swimming. And this is our own private entrance to the beach, since we're staying at a village house. And we get our own bathrooms and such. But there it is. How is it?
Cold.
The water is very, very cold. We haven't even been in all the way.
Is it still filming?
Yeah. That just with it. That wasn't smart.
Did it hurt you?
It hurt. Just cold. Look at him. My dad is crazy.
You have it back now.
Hey, how's it going? We had lunch, chilled in the pool, in the hot tub, and it's really nice in the pool, and really nice in the hot tub. Well, I was in I swim underwater, and when I was swimming underwater, I was thinking, you know what would be awesome if I got like an underwater camera for well, not an underwater camera, an underwater case for my flip. I don't know why. I'd just be like, yeah, you guys get to see underwater. I don't know why that would be awesome. I just think it's awesome. It'd probably be more awesome if I was like in the ocean, but I don't know. I thought it would be awesome in the pool. My grandpa's inside right now playing Scribble Nuts. How's it coming? Oh, give him some food. We don't know what he wants.
I don't know what it is. See what we were talking about?
Hi!
He keeps running in front of us and squalling.
It's like a little tiny person.
He did it this morning too.
Maybe he can't fly like Nemo said. He won't fly away. His wings, he keeps... Oh, don't run into the highway.
You guys know what you...
So we thought the bird was either hungry, Morgane thought it was sexually crazy, and we were both wrong. It had a nest in the rocks. It was very smart though, because the eggs looked just like small rocks, and it took us a while to find them. But we tried throwing food at it, and it wouldn't eat it. But, yeah, there we go. Yay for smart birds.
I like how they build it up on a little island.
Yeah. Best sandcastle ever. That's a really good one. OBX 2010 Outer Banks Extreme. It's pretty awesome. This is awesome.